Craving that perfect chewable ice for your drinks? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the Gemi Nugget Ice Maker, a stylish countertop solution for those who love nugget ice. First up, it produces an impressive 38 lbs of nugget ice in just 24 hours, ensuring you'll never run out. It features both manual and auto refill options, making water management a breeze. The low noise level is a huge plus, thanks to its advanced compressor and quiet fan. And let's not forget the self-cleaning feature, which keeps the ice tasting fresh without the hassle. However, it does have some size limitations, with dimensions that might not fit all countertops. The ice basket is 4.8 lbs, so it may need frequent emptying for larger parties. While it runs quietly, it does require a bit of time to produce the first batch of ice. Lastly, check your local water quality, as it can affect the taste of the ice produced. All in all, the Gemi Nugget Ice Maker is fantastic for ice lovers, though you should consider its size and maintenance.